Ibas dey face accusation say e dey deduct 200 million naira from council funds. Welcome country people to Synach Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Rivers Sole Admistrator Vice Admiral Ibas retired don dey face accusation say e dey deduct 200 million naira from the Ahoada East local government monthly allocations. Also, fresh story don enter about the assault and purported resignation of the sole administrator of Ahoada East Local Government Council, Goodluck Iheanancho. According to one voice note from the Chief Security Officer CSO of Ahoada East Local Government Area, Mr. Ekakita, when the police invite alongside the Chief of Staff to the Council Administrator and others, don show say Goodluck dem true torture am and dey force am to sign a prepared resignation letter because im dey fraternize with members of the Simplified family. The Simplified family na the political family of the suspended governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara. And also, he almost employed one youth when he lawyer to suspended Governor Siminalayi Fubara before the incident. This one dey come 3 months after the declaration of a state of emergency for Rivers State, where political observers and residents dey expect genuine reconciliation and peace to be underway between the rival political camps when Nyesom Wike dey lead one and the suspended governor Siminalayi Fubara dey lead the other group. However, from the things wey dey happen for the state, e dey show say the peace e no near anytime soon. This viral video of assault, when they say na hoodlums na do am, and the video dey show the council administrator when he sit down for ground for im office and the armed youths, the number about 10 allegedly, come dey beat am up. The youths come also present am with letter of resignation and they come force am to sign am. According to the council CSO, for im voice note when they share on the State Police Command WhatsApp platform for Port Harcourt, e say such entanglement e dey unacceptable and barbaric. E say dem no dey play those kind of politics for there. As im dey talk further, the Chief Security Officer CSO, e come say make Ibas explain and account for the claims of 200 million naira for deductions from the council's monthly allocation. The CSO come talk say for April, Mr. Iheanancho received 800 million as allocation but declare only 700 million. For May, he received 600 million aside from the excess crude of over 100 million naira, but he declared just 500 million. He say who dey deceive who? For the 2 months when they don stay for office, he say wetin they get na only 41 million naira. He say Ibas don collect 200 million naira. He say he want make this one come to the public domain and make Ibas come and tell us if na true say e dey collect the council money or not. Ekakita, he come also talk say the council administrator reportedly neglect in critical roles, and this one includes sanitation and local security, which according to am, e can draw public dissatisfaction and e can also contribute possibly to the attack on am. Ekakita can however claim say e no dey present for the scene of the incident, and e can also deny say e no play any role on the assault on the council sole administrator. E can clarify say no be hoodlums na attack Goodluck. E say but na angry youths from the council wey dey demand accountability. Now with the assault on the council administrator, because e dey fraternize with the simplified family, political watchers for the state don dey question the peace process and dey urge both camps make dem dey sincere for their reconciliation efforts. They can also caution their supporters against acts wey go fit instigate further violence. Country people, this one na update on the problem for Ahoada East local government, where the video dey show how some youths dey assault the council chairman and they dey compel am make e sign im letter of resignation. And una come see how report come enter say the commissioner of police e come direct the CSO and the chief of staff and others when they allege say na dem lead the attackers, say make dem report to im office for questioning. However, this story now dey suggest say the CSO e no go, but na im voice note na that e come send and na they come put dey circulate up and down. Whether this voice note now they take am from am as confession directly or e send am as message, we no go fit independently confirm that one. But na the report of im voice note and the new accusations wey e make, so neither dey gain traction for Rivers State, and the people dey call for genuine peace. This one dey underscore the statements wey they attribute to Minister Wike when he talk say na wayo peace na Sim Fubara dey do. He go talk for front, they go do another thing for back. Country people, e come dey appear say true the work to freedom for Rivers e go still long if dem no quick change the narrative.